Welcome back to the channel, travelers. We are heading over to Puerto Rico. As you saw, this is the island of enchantment. This is our first time going there. It's gonna be very, very cool. This video is the best we've done so far. This little island is just the width of Florida, but don't let that fool you because it has so many different things packed that you're gonna have so much fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe and head over to our channel so you can see the longer format video of our entire trip in Puerto Rico. In this video, we head over to the mountains in San Sebastián, which is sort of on the west side of the island. Then we head over to Gozalandia to see the waterfalls. Stay tuned to look at how wonderful that is. For the last adventure of our trip, we went over to the mountains. We headed over to Gozalandia Waterfalls. This is an incredible place that has two big waterfalls. It has two hiking trails. One is about 5 minutes and the other one is about 8 to 10 minutes. Great parking and great location, very safe. And you are immersed on a jungle. This is a rainforest in the middle of this island and it is beautiful, totally different. And it was the best way to close this trip. Admission is only $10 to park, and there's also a little restaurant on site, so you don't really have to worry about bringing food or anything like that because they do have a bar and a restaurant that serves a lot of appetizer or picadera, as they call it in Puerto Rico. So you're totally covered. There's not a lot of phone reception in the trails. You're in the mountain, so just keep that in mind. But people are very cordial, they help each other, and it's really a family-friendly environment. So don't hesitate to go and head over to the mountains because it's a really good experience, especially if you're in this side of the island.
Mírala. Ana, ¿viste la cascada? El agua, el río.
Aquí es Puerto Rico, mami.
Oh baby girl, you're the one for me. One for me. But now our thing is over. A little thing is over. All of the girls, them they want for me. One for me. But me no one them over. A little thing is over. Yeah, yeah. And nowadays you no one see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Baby now you or you can see me. Baby now you or you can see me.
¡Hala, mira, salud!
Woohoo!
That's what I was like, but I think I can.
Smile, I'm on TV. I like the way you make me work, girl, me love. Consider how many man left to make the light. Oh baby girl, you're the one for me. One for me. But now our thing is over. A little thing is over. All of the girls, them they want for me. one for me. But me know when I'm over, all the good thing is over. Yeah, yeah. And nowadays you know one see me. You know if you tell me say you fancy me. Maybe now you or you can't see me. Maybe now you or you can't see me. All of a sudden we no chance for me. Waiting you want, baby, answer me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Waiting I do, baby, try see me. Yeah, yeah.
Sí, dale, pues muéstrame. Cuidado, está re... Wow. Sí,
Mira,
está...
vale, te salgo no tan gordo. En la foto, gorda.
Para que vea.
El foto me tiene en el agua, pero no está.
Hola, gatito. Chiqui, ¿qué tal? Deliciosa.
And that is the end of this series. Thank you very much for watching. If you've seen all the series, head over to our channel and watch our longer format video. We really enjoy Puerto Rico, and we will be back in the near future.